Hello, my name is Bill Connelly, and I am a vice president with an amazing company called Financial Education Services, FES for short. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go over our products that we offer our customers and the amazing business opportunity that we offer people who want to team up with us as agents. So let's get started. So how many people today do you know out there that have less than perfect credit? I'm sure it's tons and tons. And when I present this with people, 8 out of 10 people have credit problems. How many people do not have their financial affairs in any kind of order? Everything's in disarray. They don't know, how to get things properly done, how to pay things off or things like that. They have no idea what's going on. They have debt and they have no idea or game plan how to get it paid down. They dislike their current job, or they're looking for some kind of change, or they need to just make some more money. So how many people that we just went over here do you actually know? Now think about it. How many people do you know are not where they want to be in their life due to their financial situation? Finances is one of the biggest factors for divorce, one of the biggest factors for fights in the family, breaking up the family, things like that. So we want to give people a solution. And our solution is FES, Financial Education Services. This company's been around since 2004. It holds an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. It's debt-free with over 100% annual sales growth each year. And their mission is simply with a focus on customer education and providing a unique and personalized experience. We strive to eliminate the burden of financial uncertainty while creating a plan of action and a peace of mind for the future. All right, that's what we do. So what do we actually provide? Well, we provide a protection plan membership. And in this membership, it has services that can protect your identity, your credit, your family, and all of your finances. Plus, we also provide a lucrative and life-changing business opportunity that you can take part of. So today, our emphasis is basically all about credit. Your credit is like a vital sign, and it's being monitored at all times. It can impact your insurance premiums and your interest rates. You can be denied the ability to rent, purchase, get a credit card, or even to get employment. And over the course of a lifetime, a less than excellent credit rating could cost you anywhere between $200,000 to $1 million in extra interest rate payments you're making and just out-of-pocket stuff because of your poor credit score. A lot of people don't even know how their credit is calculated, some mysterious thing in the credit bureaus, and they give you this number and whatever. But basically, it is created by 5 different factors. And the biggest one is your payment history, then the amount used, the length of credit, any kind of new credit, and then the last one is the types of credit that you use. FES is partnered up with a bunch of programs, and that's all under the protection plan membership. The company that we use to actually fix credit is called United Credit Education Services. This company has a 14-year track record, close to over 1 million derogatory items removed for clients. Customers are involved, and we have a live customer support for you. Over here, you can see you would get a back office, a portal area where once you become a customer or an agent, you will get this area. You will get your credit pulled one time only, and then you will get this dashboard where you'll see your initial score. You'll see where you can have a progress report, your documents, different things. Something that's very critical on here is the establishing credit, how to establish credit onto your credit report, because what our company is designed to do is get all the negative and derogatory items removed from your credit report. But then it's up to you as the customer, as the person trying to fix their credit, to add some great positive credit history and things like that to your credit report. Here's just an example of somebody, what it would say in their progress report as far as having these collections, inquiries, foreclosures, things like that. and it would show you everything you have. And then on the far right, it would show you the status as far as what's going on with it, in dispute, deleted, et cetera, et cetera. So basically, we run off the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, which gives all Americans the right to dispute or investigate any items on their credit report that are inaccurate, erroneous, obsolete items such as late payments, charge-off, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, and many other items that can be removed from your credit file or can be updated to reflect paid as agreed. We also offer a My Care plan. Now, this is really, really important because I did not have this before this company. Basically, you get a will, a trust, a power of attorney, and there's no add-ons or surprise charges. This is included. You can update them at any time in your back office. This was developed by the attorneys. You can log into your secure area. Easy to use documents. You just fill out the information, everything it asks for you right there. And now you're up and running with a will, a living trust, and all the power of attorneys. Also included in the protection plan is a credit builder. Okay, this will teach you how to build your credit. Also a credit attorney. We have attorneys on staff that you can talk to at any time. And then credit monitoring. You need to monitor your credit all the time. It's called Smart Credit. We have a debt zero program that teaches people how to get their debt down to zero. They plug in all the debt they have, interest rates, amounts, and stuff like that, and it gives you a payoff plan. LifeLock. Now check this out. LifeLock has partnered up with us. They put their name on the line, and they're the #1 protection, identity protection company in the world. So that's a clue right there. You're going to get this included for free. A financial lockbox. It's like a security box in a bank where you can put all your financial information in a secure, password protected virtual site, and then you can give that to somebody, and then they'll be able to go in and find your information quickly if need be. We also have these 3 products as well: an RX discount card, travel discounts, and cashback shopping. These are designed to help you do the things that you normally do, whether it's get your prescriptions, travel, shop online, to keep money into your house, you know, to pay a lower amount and be able to save money as well. We also have a YFL program, which we'll go over. Health insurance. You can get health insurance in our back office. And then for agents only, you can get term life insurance. But the YFL, it's a program, very proud to be a part of this. We basically educate kids from the age of 8 to 18, go into the schools. They have curriculum, things like that. And then we also give scholarships out to kids who participate in these programs. Health insurance, you can go in your back office in the health insurance area. You can plug in single, married, kids, whatever you got to do. You can go over the different plans that are back there and pick the one that's right for you. And like I said, agents only have the ability to get free at no cost term life insurance anywhere from $30,000 all the way up to $100,000, depending on how long you are involved in this company and moving forward. So basically the YFL, we went over that. That's the youth programs that we help kids. And on the left, you can see all the scholarships over the years that have been given. Last year, 2017, $250,000 in scholarships to help kids get into colleges. The amount of schools we got into went from 11 schools all the way up to 38, and 62,000 went towards books, teaching them, and all the curriculum and stuff like that. So $2 of every protection plan membership sold through FES goes to the YFL. Now, I know I told you a lot, and these are all the programs and things like that, but we also have, a couple other things. But basically, to get started, there is a one-time $99 activation fee, and then $89 per month for all those programs included under one umbrella: credit repair, LifeLock, an attorney, and all those other programs I went over, all for $89 a month. Now, to get started, $188, $99, and $89 your first month, and then $89 after that. Something that was just added, which is really, really cool, and it's outside the protection plan membership, but any agent can share this with you, is Credit My Rent. Now, imagine this. You have a mortgage. You're paying a mortgage. You're making good payments, and it's being reported to the credit bureaus. But if you slip up, you miss a month or 2 months, whatever, it can damage. Now, say, for example, you've been renting, and you're making great payments, and you have your landlord, and and then you sign up for Credit My Rent, you can go all the way back 2 years to your landlord and get it approved that you made good payments for 2 years and get that put onto your credit report. Or you can go back as far as 1 year, or you can go back and get it started right away. So there's 3 options with this program. So what are some of our customers saying? Well, we got Johnny and Sandra here, and they said after having a bankruptcy removed, they were able to purchase a home with a low fixed interest rate, which saved them almost $1,000 per month. So by getting that bankruptcy removed, save them almost $1,000 a month, $12,000 for the year. That's amazing. In just 2 months, Yvette, her credit score increased to the point where her car insurance premium was lowered by $2,000 for the year. Now you have to understand, like we said earlier, your interest rates affect your car insurance. That's crazy. Vinny Ho, after just 45 days, he had a tax lien and a foreclosure deleted from his credit report. Imagine you have a tax lien and a foreclosure on your credit report. You go through our program, and within the 2 to 6, 8 months of staying, focused and doing what you have to do as a customer, you have these things deleted off your credit report completely. He had it done in 45 days. Here's some comparison table of some of the other companies that that are out there that you can choose from. And Lexington Law, Sky Blue, Credit Repair, Credit Saint. And you can see where the checks are, obviously. Credit Restoration is all of them. We're the only ones that have will, trust, power of attorney. Credit monitoring, you can see the 4 checks. The red star means you're going to pay an additional fee with these other companies. Identity protection, the 4 checks. Then you see we're the only one with debt elimination, and we have an amazing income opportunity as well. So basically, that's the products part. If you have any questions, you can definitely get back with me or whoever sent you to this video. But now we want to go over the business opportunity that's changing so many lives, changed my life, enabled me within under a year to walk away from corporate America by teaming up with Financial Education Services. My story quickly was, I was turning 50 and I knew I had a poor credit score. So I was reviewing those different companies I just gave you in the chart, and I came across FES. I realized that I needed to do my due diligence because I was taking this seriously, and I wanted something that I believed was going to be my best option. FES, the first go around with the deletions was 4 out of 5 judgments. So that showed me right there that I was in the right place, and I wanted to become an agent full-time with this company and help a ton of people. So basically, FES, the business opportunity, we do 2 things. We establish accounts, meaning personal accounts. We get people on the protection plan membership and to its services. The other part of the business opportunity is also going out and recruiting new agents that want to be a part of our team. We develop and train them to manage a nationwide team. So how many people out there do you know that control their income, their schedule, advancement, benefits, retirement, and their future? Well, you can definitely do that with FES and working with our amazing team. Basically, what you want to do also as an agent is you want to build relationships with corporate accounts. These are people who constantly have customers coming into their office and need credit restoration, such as mortgage brokers, car dealers, real estate agents, loan modification, debt settlement companies, bankruptcy attorneys, tax professionals, solar panel. Think about as many people as you can that have to deal with people that they have to get approved with good credit to make a sale. Now, what we do is we have them send us these people. We work with them for 2 to 6 months, and then we get back to them. And now they're able to purchase from the mortgage broker, car dealer, real estate, and et cetera, making them money that they would have never made if they didn't partner up with us. How does commissions work? Well, basically, if you're an agent with us, you're going to make $100 for every single protection plan membership that you sell. And know this, that it's unlimited. All right, there's no cap on how many you can sell. So for each one, when the person pays the $99 to get started and the $89 for the service, you're going to make $100 each time. Once that person goes and now they're paying their monthly fee after the first month, you're going to get $12 residual for each person paying the $89 that you brought in. So not only do you have upfront beginning money, but you also have residual money. Imagine if you went out there and you did this, brought in 5 customers a month, low key, whatever, you're helping some people get their credit repaired, and an extra 500 a month. What if you went out there and did that 5 per week? Now you're looking at about $2,000 a month. What if you did 10 per week? You're looking at $4,000 a month. What if you did 20 people per week? You're over $100,000 for the year, just helping people get on this protection plan membership, and getting their lives and their pride back. We also have, once you get in 5 people underneath you, whether they are a customer or an agent, your services are 100% free, all right? Because as an agent, we are basically customers as well, and we're paying $89 a month. But once you have 5 people that are active underneath you, your services are no longer being charged to you. Customer acquisition, this is you coming in as an agent. Here we are, you're an agent, welcome to the team. You're gonna wanna go out and start building a team of your own. So if you go out and you sign up an agent, your first agent, at the agent level, you can make $100 for bringing on an agent. So that agent you brought on has to go out and get 2 customers, then you make the 100. To get the first rank up and pay increase in the company, you need 2 personal agents underneath you, helping them to get 2 customers each. Then you will be elevated to what's called a field trainer. All right, the goal is to get every single agent that comes onto our team as quickly as possible to field trainer. All right, helping them go out, find 2 agents, business partners, helping them to get some customers and get ranked up to field trainer as quickly as possible. That's where you go from $100 to making $160 when you bring on a new agent. So imagine you're a field trainer now, you got promoted, you got 2 agents underneath you and a team's being built, and you go out and you sign up your 3rd agent, and now you make $160 when you help them get in and 2 customers instead of that $100, $60 increase. All right, the rank after that is called senior field trainer. You go from 160 to 240. And then the rank that you really, really want to strive for as quickly as possible is called sales director. At that point, you are now making $380 every time you bring on an agent and help them get 2 customers. So the power of increasing your income is in your own hands, working, bringing on agents, helping them to rank up, and working forward. This chart will show you how pass-up money happens to you from your agents to you. It's unlimited levels. So for example, right now, like I said, I'm a vice president with the company. So if I go out there and I sign you up, say your name's John, I sign you up, John, and you join the team, and I help you get 2 customers, I'm going to make $500 from signing you up. But because you're a brand new agent and we want to get you to field trainer as quickly as possible, all right, we're going to work with you and help you find your first agent. You sign up your first agent, and because you're an agent, you can only make $100. Well, because I'm at the vice president level, you make $100, but you also make me $400. All right, incredible. Now, to get you to field trainer, we have to find you 1 more agent business partner that wants to team up with you. So now we work together. We get you your 2nd agent. You make another $100. Another $400 gets rolled up to me, and now you're promoted to field trainer, where you have 2 agents and you make $160 now every time you bring somebody in. All right, but this is where you start making money from your downline. So if one of your 2 agents goes out and they sign up their first agent because they want to become a field trainer like you, they're going to make 100, and then that's when 60 starts rolling up to you. So just keep following this chart and you'll see about the money that gets rolled up. It just gets insane as your ranks increase and you start building a nice team of people. We get paid weekly, all right? We get paid basically Sunday to Saturday, and then we get paid Thursday morning. So the pay period ends on Saturday, starts on Sunday, and then ends on Saturday. So whatever you do from Sunday to Saturday, you're going to get paid that following Thursday, weekly. And that'll go right into your bank account, checking account, or you can opt to get a check. So imagine you're a sales director on that chart. Sales directors, remember, they make $380 when they bring on an agent. So imagine you have some team members, they start building, they become field trainers, agents, they start bringing in some people, and you have about 15 to 18 people here, and you're a sales director. Remember that pass-up money that I was talking about? could be around $5,000 with just this small amount of team. That's incredible as well. What if you did this once a month and made $5,000 a month? Could you live off of that? What if you did this once a week and made $20,000 a month? Now it's getting really good. And what if you did this twice a week? It just becomes insane. So basically, here's a scenario that we want to go over, the 5 for free. You go out and you get your 5. We're going to talk about agents now. It says end customers, but I like talking about agents. So basically, every single agent that is on the protection plan membership, if the agent goes out and gets 5 people, their services is free. Customers do not have a link to get their 5 for free, only agents at this time. So we're going to just talk about agent. So imagine you go out, you get 5 agents underneath you, right? And then they're going to want to get their services for free and get their 5. That would equal 25. They're going to want to get their 5 and their 5 and their 5. And we're looking at a 5-year plan here, where if everybody on your team just went out and got their 5 for free, over a 5-year plan, you'd be looking at 19,530 people on your team. And if you had this perfect, right? If you had this perfect, and this is just a scenario here, you'd be making $75,000 a month just off your residual income. Okay? How crazy is that? But what if we only did 10% of that? And your annual residual, that means month after month from people paying their $89, even if it's free, it still counts. You'll be at $7,500 a month. What if you went real low and you just had an extra $750 coming in every month? That could cover pretty much most of your bills other than your rent or mortgage. Here's another great slide I like to share with people. It's called the Infinity Bonus. And this is paid once a month. All right. This is paid once you hit the rank of sales director and above. So for a sales director, they need to have a certain criteria plus 10,000 in team volume. And then they will get a 0.5% or around $50 every single check. You can look down, it gets some incredible numbers. I'm at the vice president level. I have over 100,000 in team volume every single month. So I get 1.5%. And that is about $1,500 every single month that they're giving me. So if you put that over a 12-month period, this bonus alone is $18,000 or so. We have an incredible program called the R R Club. Basically, the first level of the R R Club is the car plan. To reach this, you need a minimum of 500 people on your team, whether they're customers or agents. Team build, it's just not your efforts, it's your whole team. And at that point, they will give you up to $600 a month towards an Audi or Mercedes or a Cadillac. I'm very, very close to this as we speak. The second level is a 10K one-time bonus. The third level, they're going to increase your car payment from $600 to $1,500. You have to use $600 towards one of the cars, and then you can use the other $900 or whatever you want to do towards any other car or upgrade the current one you have. Level 4, $25,000 one time. Imagine you hit level 4 and boom, next thing you know, you got $25,000 in your commission the next week. That's crazy. Level 5 is a $50,000 one time, and then they can upgrade your car bonus to a Bentley program. Whew, imagine driving around in a Bentley. Level 6 through 10, different programs. $5,000 a month towards a house payment. They have a retirement bonus up to $25K, and they have lifetime bonuses $100K, $250K monthly. Just some insane things. Imagine having a house, right? And they're paying $5,000 a month towards your mortgage. Say you even have a nice house in an area where you can get a big house at a low cost, and it's like $2,000 a month. They're going to actually pay the $2,000 towards your house, and then put the other $3,000 towards the principal. So, whew, amazing stuff here. Here's some people that are in the R R Club. These are basically the Audi owners. In February, this past February, we were at the national convention in Vegas, and that's when they increased it to Cadillac and Mercedes. So basically, here are people that have gotten their Audis in the past. The R R Club, the benefits are well over $3 million annually. It's just insane what this company gives back to its team members, its agents that are working hard, building teams, supporting their teams, and making people's dreams come true. So basically, I said we had a convention once a year in Vegas. This is our convention. We offer training, support. It's online training, conference call training, local training, regional training, national training. We have all kinds of training that you can plug into, probably meetings in your local area as well. We have Zoom calls at nighttime where the team can get on. We put on a presentation for guests, mastermind afterwards. So we have all the training you need, Facebook groups, different things to help support you become successful. So here's an example of Wayman and Jean. As real estate brokers, we depended on closings. Now, they were real estate brokers, so they had to depend on the closing, and they had to wait weeks and even months to get paid. Now with FES is our full-time career, and they paid the way for them to be executive vice presidents. Imagine the infinity bonus they're getting every month. Woo, in R R Club. Our retirement and future is set. Here's Warren. As a business owner, I was watching my income go backwards due to a changing industry, and my financial future was in jeopardy. All right, think about that. Think about what's going on in the world today in the workforce. Are you secure in your job and things like that? FES was just what he needed, and with the training combined with hard work, and I like to say hard work. All right, if you're coming on board as an agent, it's going to take work. It's just not simple. If it was simple, everybody will be doing it. But if you do put in the work, if you do stay close to the campfire and your team, you have an amazing opportunity to change your life. This all led him to being a vice president and in the R R Club. And with this amount of money, his future is no longer a concern. I am currently a vice president as well and almost into the R R Club for that car bonus. So just imagine what's going on in my life. Here we got David Moon. He was a radio broadcaster, and while it may sound really good, he could barely make ends meet. He was frustrated and felt like his dreams were gone. Imagine in your career and your life and you feel like your dreams are shot. But FES got him out of broadcasting, and by using the FES system and trainings, it helped him to become a regional vice president and R R Club member. And now he finally has his dreams back. Imagine giving someone the opportunity to get their dreams back. So basically, if you want to come on board, the first step is enrolling and becoming an agent. And it's $288 to build this business, to get started today. There's a one-time $199 enrollment fee. Now, this is only $100 more than coming in as a customer. So for one time, $288, you can become an agent with our team, and then $89 every single month afterwards. Remember, you have the ability to go out, get 5 as quickly as possible, and never have that $89 payment again. So for $288 one time, and then $89 a month afterwards, you get all the services, the life insurance, and it's just amazing opportunity. You're going to get sales websites. You're going to have connect pages that can tell people about your products. You'll have a platform to understand the business, reports and tracking systems so you get credit for the sales. We have live agent support and team calls in the corporate office, conference calls and training, like I said, and access to marketing materials. And also, like I said, we get paid weekly, which is phenomenal. So over on the right, how many people out there do you know in the credit restoration and education need access to a credit attorney, need some credit monitoring going on, online financial lockbox, identity protection, debt zero plan, will trust power of attorney, online mint program. You get all these things, the RX Club, travel, online shopping, and you're eligible, like I said, to get your membership for free. Basically, also, you have the ability to get that free life insurance anywhere from $30,000 all the way up to $100,000. How that actually works is once you made 3 payments, you go to $30,000. Once you're in 6 months, it goes to $50,000. 9 months, $75,000. And once you're in a year, it's $100,000 and just stays at $100,000 from then on. We also have an amazing, amazing website that they just put together. It's called successwithfes.com. Basically, once you get started, you're going to use your username and your password. You'll come in, and it will show you about what you should do for your first week, everything you need to do to get your business off and launching. But you should also be working with your sponsor and your upline. They also have an area for quick start. They also have a video library. So this is an amazing website to help you build your FES business. So how many people do you know that have less than perfect credit? They don't have a will, trust, power of attorney. They have debt and could benefit from a system to pay it all off. And how many people do you know that work in a credit-related industry, such as that real estate, mortgage, auto, or banker that I was talking about, those corporate accounts. Do you know any of them? If you do, this would be a great fit for you. Then you work closely with them to help them get their clients approved so they can make more sales. How many people do you know that are looking for a part-time or full-time income, depending on their efforts? Who's frustrated with their current career and needs a change, or wants to become financially free? How many people do you know that are like that? How to expose people to the business? Well, basically, you come in, you're an agent, right? And then what you do is you get a hold of your contacts through, your social media, talking about this opportunity, and then you get them to the FES leaders for respect and credibility, and we help you to build your business. So are you ready for success with FES? Basically, there's 3 levels of interest that you can have currently. So what is your level of interest? I already have my excellent credit. My financial affairs are in order, and I love my current job, but I could provide you referrals, meaning your life is great, but you know some people who need our services and you can send them our way. Well, thank you very much. Or you're interested in fixing your own credit. Let's get you enrolled in the services. Or you're interested in the FES Protection Plan membership and the financial opportunity, and you're ready to go all in, and let's get you signed up as an agent and get your customer services started as well. So once again, this is Bill Connelly. I want to welcome you to the FES family. If you got any questions, you can definitely get back with me, or you can get back with the person who sent you to this video. But just know this, nothing's going to change in your life until you make that change. I know for years and years, I sat around with that poor credit because it wasn't really important to me at the time. But as I got older and knew that I had to fix it because of the things I wanted to achieve in my life, a house, a car, different things like that, giving me back my credit power, I took a chance. So take a chance. You won't regret it. Definitely get back to the person, who shared this opportunity with you, and get started today. God bless. Thank you very much.